So since we came home for the holidays, I decided to steal my brother-in-law Joey to come up here to camp in North Georgia. We're close to Lake Conasauga, if anyone knows where that's at. This is a nice spot. Unfortunately, we picked the coldest day so far this year to come up here, so we get to test some of our heaters out and see how well we can stay warm, but it should be a good time. All right, so one advantage of this camping trip is I get to try out several different heating methods for this outdoor space inside this OVS awning. So I have this tabletop propane heater, I got the diesel heater, and then I also have our propane fire pit. So we'll see if we stay nice and warm in here tonight. We got some football to watch, so it should be fun. All right, so we're trying this tabletop propane heater out. We had it on the table for a while. It was doing okay, but then we put it down here, and it's keeping us pretty warm, keeping our legs nice and toasty. It's probably, I don't know, 35 or so degrees outside right now, so it's pretty cold. Sun's going to go down in about an hour and a half, so we'll get the fire pit out and hopefully stay warm out here. If not, worst case, we'll just load up into the camper and snuggle a little bit and watch the football. Okay, so after a few hours of out here in the cold, this thing is worthless because the propane tank is freezing, so it's barely putting any heat out. So we have the diesel heater blowing in our face and up our jackets to keep us warm. It's nice and warm, but we still haven't cracked out the fire pit. We'll see how that goes. Worst case scenario, we'll make it to the Georgia game and go inside the camper at halftime. So we'll see. So out here, outside of the tent, so we got the awning here, awning room, and we're trying to stay warm inside there. But I walked outside for a minute to take care of some things around camp and noticed this sunset. You guys got to see it. Hopefully it shows up just as good on camera as I see it right now. Okay, for an outdoor area, after running the diesel heater, this tabletop propane heater, and the fire pit, this fire pit is putting out way more heat and it feels significantly better in here. It's very nice. So I think the winner is the fire pit to keep warm in a awning room when it's this cold. So the best way to cook your brats is with Coors Banquet. Prove me wrong. I about forgot we had some tots to cook, have with these brats. And whatever's left over will also be good for breakfast. All right, we got some brats, some tots, we got some football, so go Dogs. We should actually see our temperatures dipping down into the low 40s. Nice and comfortable in the camper for the Georgia game, the second half, and well, as some of you know, Georgia continues to play like crap. So that was nuts. Go Dogs. Good job. So we got up this morning. It's pretty cold. We stayed nice and cozy in the camper, but it got very cold. Our water is frozen solid. This Coke from yesterday McDonald's is pretty solid. So So, yeah, I'd say it got pretty cold last night, but we did pretty well in the camper. Slept nice. Another thing we found funny was looking at this when we woke up. There's ice on the bottom of the door from the moisture buildup in the camper. So for breakfast this morning, we're going to throw some tots from last night, get them warmed up, cut up some of these brats, throw some eggs in it, have some biscuits with it. It should be pretty good. All right, we got breakfast knocked out and we're all packed up, ready to hit the trails. I think we're going to map some trails for Onyx off-road today, and then head on home. So if you like this, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So we decided to stop on the trail or on the road to check out this waterfall called Barnes Creek. So we're doing a little hike up to the top of it. Let's check it out. Really not much to see from the top, so we'll go check it out from the bottom. Oh yeah, so it's a much better view from down here. It's worth taking a little stop if you're in the area, going around Chatsworth, Georgia.